You must surrender now.
What do we do, Cap?
We fight.
Ladies and gentlemen, Randy Orton, Batista.
You are witnessing history.
You tell the whole world that you are the baddest guys on the planet. Week in, week out, you tell the world you are the baddest people around.
Here we go. They may just deal with that. The finish. Come get you some, boys. And the shield to Ambrose, Rollins, and Reigns. And John, they believe the ring is their yard now. Wait a minute. Where's it going? Like they're giving up the yard.